She's stepping on it and pushing more dirt back in there. She's getting frustrated.
Roxy, no more digging, baby girl.
Oh, she's making it bigger. See, she took down a little bit of the sidewall. But look at, she buries her head in there. It's like she leads it for nose. Oh my gosh, look at
Roxy. Roxy. Oh my gosh. Hey.
What are you doing?
Hey, are you done?
And you gotta get in your mother's car when we get done? Where's she going?
I think she's just having fun.
Roxy, stop. Roxy.
Are you done? You're done.
You're done, babies. How much sand she's eating? Roxy, you are a mess, babies. You're a mess.
Where are you going? Hey.